Let me show you how to connect to the web UI and use custom query today. So I'm using the cloud interface, but it works if you have used our community edition and set everything up. So here I'm going to go to an instance, go to the web UI for that instance. And as you can see, there is a lot of different things that are loaded in this instance that you can use. But let's jump straight to the custom query tab. Now here I have a few queries written already, but if you wanted to add a new query, you create one, start with the square bracket, put a brace, and just let's say I want to find images that are there in the system, and I want to see all of the. So this will, the autocomplete will let you select options that you want. I want to see all of the image properties and I want to visualize them. So I will set the blobs to be true. Now I can save this, give it a name. So it's available for your web UI instance, at least on the same machine that you're running. It's cached in browser, so you can keep saving your queries. You can always copy paste them for later use and bringing them back. But here I have not put any constraints. So it's going to look at all the images that are there in this particular instance. And you can just, you get that query. So here, for example, I have a similar query where we expect PDFs. So we have certain PDFs. Since blobs can be of a lot of different types, there is an expectation that when you uploaded the PDFs in the system, you would have added this property called document type and set it to the type PDF. So what this query is now doing is going to find blob where the constraint is that the document type is PDF. You set the blobs to true. And here we want to see the count. I could also say I want to see all of the properties and then save this query for future and then run this. So now what it's doing, it's going to go look for blobs where the document type is PDF. It finds all of the properties. So, as you can see, it found 16 blobs that match. It found entities and it showed you all the metadata attributes associated with those documents. And because we have the ability to render PDF on our UI and we set the blobs to true, it's basically loading the PDF documents here. And, for example, you could go here, look at all the properties there. There is also a open in tab, so you can actually go open and navigate the PDFs. So there, you can use the custom queries to kind of, store different things that you do always. It is cached on the specific instance of your UI. So if somebody else logs in and they create they log in as their own person, their own username, they'll create their own set of queries. So hopefully that's useful for you. Thank you for listening.